Hello there. Feeling confused, lost in the sea of information, don't know exactly what to study for your PMHNP board certification? You're not alone. Many students have felt the anxiety while preparing for the board. I have good news and bad news for you. Let's start with the bad news. The bad news is school did not teach what you need to know to pass your board certification. The good news is I have been in your shoes. I understand your struggles. I understand how difficult it is to balance a busy life. I have developed a program that's so comprehensive that will blow your mind away, will help you finish the cross line. Let's do this together. My name is Dr. Lopez. I'll be your coach today.
All right, so picture this having a guide to boost your confidence as you navigate through the maze of the board certification. Our program is designed to serve you as your compass. We have divided our course into five easy to follow domains, or in this case, modules. The first module is the PMHNP Scientific Foundation. Worried about the brain or the dopamine pathway? Come with us and solidify your understanding of core concept with in-depth explanations and practice questions. As we advance through the practice skills that is needed for the PMHNP, you will learn the clinical reasons through focus studies. And by the way, our module 2 will cover everything you need to know to ace the 44 questions on your test. As we move on to the PMHNP diagnosis test and treatment, here we'll teach you how to master the art of assessment with interventions by expert guidance. Then our module number 4 is the PMHNP psychotherapy and related theories. Here you learn about the solid foundations in therapeutic approach and techniques that will serve you well in the board and in your future career. Each module comes with a series of short videos and handy PDF, so you can easily squeeze learning into your busy schedule. Say goodbye to feeling overwhelmed, tackle one topic at a time, and keep track of your progress. Well, with our mobile app, you can study on the go, whether it is on the bus, during a break, or before bed. Not something that I would advise, by the way. If you can already picture yourself holding the board certification and feel anxiety slipping away, I promise I will not hold you back. Click the link below and kickstart your journey today. But wait, we are not done yet. To supercharge your study journey, we are providing some exclusive bonus for you if you enroll today. Bonus number 1, it's our PMHNP Crash Course Review. Some may call it the LMR. Here we discover essential topics that are high yield content. Everything on this module you must know for your board examination. Bonus number 2 is our PMHNP diagnostic test. Here you identify the strengths and weakness and target your learning experience. There is a little bit more. If you score 80%, that is a sure indication that you will succeed on your board examination. Bonus number 3 will give you a PMHNP question bank with over 1,000 questions to ensure you gain the confidence and the extensive practice with detailed information, right? Bonus number 4, we all know that studying alone can be a boring process. How about get with our WhatsApp study group, connect with like-minded peers, share insight, and feel motivated. Finally, our bonus number 5 is our PMHNP Kahoot with myself. I'll answer your question, test your knowledge, compete with the fellow students, and get instant feedback. This way, you're never alone. Come study with us.
Hey guys, so now let's give a big hand to those students that have passed the board. We are personal, so we know each one of our students by the first and last name. Let's start with Bonnet. Mr. Bonnet or Dr. Bonnet now. He's a unique situation. He actually passed the PMHNP board certification. He's doing his PhD now, but he did not complete the board 1 year later. He finished his school in 2002. He came to our program. He was completely lost. He said, Dr. Lopez, I don't know what to do. I have 4 weeks. I signed up for the board finally, and I need your help. Well, Dr. Bonin, you got it. You are a PMHNP board certified. Let's move on with Dr. Job. Dr. Job is an interesting case, very interesting case. He actually tried another board certification review, and unfortunately, he was not successful. He was absolutely destroyed. His confidence was on the ground. In fact, I had to almost beg him to join my program. Now, this is what Dr. Job said after he finished our program. Lastly, let's talk about Jill or Dr. Jill. Dr. Jill is the most amazing person I ever met. Let's start from the beginning, right back from nursing school. Dr. Jill said, Dr. Lopez, let me tell you a secret. When I went to nursing school, it was a living hell. I finished my program with 79 points and I needed 0.5 points to graduate. The school allowed me to graduate, give me the 0.5%, and I was able to graduate. Sure, I went to take my NCLEX. I took the NCLEX three times, and she finally was able to pass. Then Dr. Jill moved on to be a cardiac nurse, did her thing, enjoying her, experience and earning a higher salary. At some point, Dr. Jill said, I'm done with being a bedside nurse. I am ready to move on to my next stage of my life. She signed up to do her PMHNP degree. I believe it was a master's degree. And then she signed up first time trial. We don't get a lot of people that are first time with us. Usually we get those that have failed and they're now looking for a solution. Well, Dr. Jill was different. She picked us. And then she was studying, she was attending the live Kahoot, she was doing the question bank, she did her PMHNP diagnostic test, she nailed the crash course review, and she followed the modules 1 through 5. So she did the entire program. The day before the board, it was a Super Bowl Sunday. I followed every one of my students, and I noticed some weakness. She was testing on Monday. And I noticed some weakness and I called her. And she had maybe 1 or 2 beers, maybe a little bit more. And she's like, Dr. Lopez, let me tell you something. I'm not going to pass. I know your program is great, but I'm not going to pass. I know me. I said, Jill, right? She was a doctor, but she didn't have her degree yet. I said, Jill, take it easy, okay? You got this. You have completed the whole program. And she said, you don't understand me. You just don't understand me. I have never passed the board certification on the first time. Now, please congratulate Dr. Jill. She passed on her first time. And these are just one of many stories that are students that have felt anxious, felt unprepared, but they joined our program and they had a helpful, successful outcome. Don't believe us? Look at our Google reviews. Don't believe us? Look at our Facebook reviews, and you will sure be fired up, be enthusiastic, and ready to come and study with us. My name is Dr. Lopez, and I cannot wait to see you become a board certified today.
So if you like what you see and you think this program is a good fit for you, for a limited time only, take advantage of this incredible discount on our already affordable program. Remember, this is our master course. Everything you need is right here, right now to help you succeed, unlock your full potential, and save big today.